Namaste, namaste. The eyes and the tongue become more involved in the latter stages of Hatha Yoga. When I felt this, I didn't know, what to make out of these new sensations, and information will just appear. That's my practice. I cultivated myself, and then I will just be surprised that as I read the books, because information will come to me, then there are terms attached to those sensations. Practical learning, that's my nature. All right. So the reason being, when the nadis, the many thousand nadis we hold in the body becomes open and sensitive, therefore, they can feel the subtleness of our vibration. And the tongue and the eyes, they magnetize all these energetic pulsations flowing through our system. Therefore, they become more involved in accessing those deep pockets of the body no asana and even the breathing exercises could attain. And then with the eyes and the tongue getting into those deep pockets, adding the breath and your refined awareness, that brings your meditation practice into higher levels. All right, so for today, let me just teach you basic exercises so you can do this early to cultivate the tongue and the eyes. All right, sitting tall, just make sure there's no strain. If you feel strain in the neck and the shoulders, stop. And then do some relaxing neck stretches. If you have eye problem, like for example, detached retina, or you faint easily, don't do the eye exercises. You can just do the mouth exercises instead, or just simply, as far as your eyes can sustain the pressure. All right, now, first, rubbing the tongue inside the mouth, tracing the gums, and the lips and the cheek. And then you can do some neck releasing exercises as you do this. And then you can match the breath every time our tongue circles up, inhale. And as it circles downwards, exhale. All right. Now, how many? Just as many as your tongue can sustain the pressure, because this will lead to, of course, tongue is a big muscle. This will lead to slight fatigue of the tongue. If you feel fatigue, just relax the tongue and then do some neck stretching. You can circle the head around and reverse the direction of the circle. Like that. And you can swallow if you feel the saliva building inside your mouth. Okay, so do that for probably one round to the clockwise and another round to the anti-clockwise, and taking breaks in between. Now, the eyes. Okay, so like you're moving your eyes from one temple to the forehead, that space, to the other one, and the tip of the nose. And then you do that in a circular motion. But for learning purposes, you can hold one side probably there, just for you to bring your attention there without turning the head, and then look to the eyebrows, and then the other corner, and then the nose tip. All right, so this will lead to the spontaneous closing of the back of the neck. That's normal, but there should be no discomfort. If you feel pain there, means you're overdoing the neck. So just relax the head. Okay, do that. And then once you've become familiar with the corners, you can circle them around already. Like that. Make it fun, make it playful. And then after your eyes fatigue, close the eyes and lightly crimp without crimping your face, just crimping your optic muscles up to the brain. It's like your eyes move backwards, like that, and up, like a hook. Good. And then here you can allow your eyes to rest there. And you can even use the hand to rub that part. Good. And reverse. Do the other direction, like that. All right. Probably 7 times or as many as your eyes can sustain. Close the eyes and then do the same recovery. Inhale, like your eyes pull back, and then hook up. Exhale. All right. And then the next stage, It's the culmination we're combining. All right. As the tongue circles in this direction, our eyes will move to that direction too. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. And circle the eyes and the breath, inhaling, exhaling. Another thing, don't strain your eyes. It's like a magnetizing sensation, like your eyes droop, like you're solving a puzzle, like that. So you're not overdoing the circle. It's more of like an internal mental way of doing things. Yeah, but the tongue, of course, will move physically. The eyes will move physically, but it's not to the point that you're straining and you feel rigid. Yeah. Like that. Yeah, goes around in circles and reverse. Uh, it's also good for building coordination, really. Yeah. Yeah. And it has this instantaneous effect, like your brain at first, after the exercise, you will feel mild tension here. Yeah. But once you recovered and then you do your next stretches, it gives this sense of clarity and sensitivity. And it's also good for releasing tension in the neck and finding your voice. Yeah, the tongue being the main anatomical part responsible for our vocal functions. Good. And then here, of course, the eyes become a tool for us to relax our optic functions. Beautiful. All right, you can already incorporate that into your practice. Yeah, this early. Yeah, acknowledge the potent presence of your tongue and the eyes. I'll see you in the next lesson. Namaste.